Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Goodwill. The balance sheet of ABC, who sharing profits and losses of their capital is 4:3:2 stood as follows as on 31st December 9. So liability side shows syndicate as 13,800, capital is 40,000, A, B is 30,000 and C is 20,000, that is 90,000. So the total credit side is 1,03,800. The asset side balance sheet shows land and building 50,000, plant and machinery 17,000, stock 16,000, debtors is 10,000, but provision for bad debt is 200. So the net debtors is 9,800, bank balance is 11,000. So the total asset side is 1,03,800. On 31st December, B retails assets and liabilities are revalued to ascertain the amount of payable to B. The adjustment would be done as stock to be written off by 6%, provision for bad debts up to 5% on sundry debtors, land and buildings be appreciated by 20%, provision for legal charges to be made 51,540, goodwill should be valued at rupees 21,600. Each share of goodwill be adjusted in the account of A and C. The future profit sharing ratio after retirement of goodwill would be A:C would be 5:3. The entire capital of the newly constituted firm is fixed as 56,000 between A and C in the proportion of 5:3 after passing the entries in the accounts of goodwill. So, journal entries for balance sheet of the newly constituted firm transferring B's share of capital and goodwill to separate loan account on his name on 1st January. Computation of gaining ratio between A and C. Share of goodwill B, that is retiring partner, would be adjusted in the account of A and C. So only B's share of goodwill will be raised and written up in the A and C's account in the gaining ratio. So old ratio of A, B and C is 4:3:2. New ratio of A to C is 5:3. So gaining ratio of A is A58 minus 49 is equal to 13/72 and C is 38 minus 2/9 is equal to 11/72. So the gaining ratio of A and A to C is 13/72 is to 11/72 is equal to 13:11. Calculation of adjusted capital of A and C. After retirement of B, capital of the firm is fixed at 56,000. Which will be shared between A and C in the new ratio. So the A's capital would be 56,000 into 5 into 8, 5/8 is equal to 35,000 and C's capital would be 56,000 into 3/8 is equal to 21,000 after passing entries in goodwill. So partners' capital account would be adjusted against their new capital balance after passing the entries for goodwill. Excess capital, if any, will be withdrawn while deficiency will be brought by partners in cash. Yes, the case may be. Journal entries for appreciation of land and building. Land and building account debit 10,000 to profit and loss adjustment account 10,000. So appreciation of building by 25% of 50,000, that is 10,000. The next would be decrease in assets. So the entry would be profit and loss account debit to 2,800 by the respective amount for the assets. So the stock would be credited to 960, that is 6% on 16,000. Provision for bad debts that is 300 and so 5% on 10,000 divide minus 200 which is already there, so the 300 would be extra. and provision for legal charges as per the question is given is 15,540. So the total debit to profit and loss adjustment account 2,800. Next, the profit and balance of profit and loss account of 7,200 lying 10,000 credit and 2,800 debit. So 7,200 lying in the credit of profit and loss account would be adjusted to respect capital account of the old partners in the old ratio. So the for A it would be 7,200 into 4 by 9 is 3,200. B 7,200 into 3 by 9 is 2,400, and C 7,200 into 2 by 9 is equal to 1,600. So the entry would be profit and loss account adjustment account 7,200 to A's capital 3,200, B's capital 2,400, C's capital 1,600. Now the goodwill account 7,200, B's share of goodwill account 7,200 would be adjusted to B's capital account, and A's capital account and the continuing partners capital account would be debited by the amount of the share of goodwill of B, the retiring partner. So they will get that 7,000 in the gaining ratio, that is 7,200 for A 7,200 into 13 by 24 is equal to 3,900, and C 7,200 into 11 by 24 is 3,300. So the entry would be A's capital account debit 3,900, C's capital account debit 3,300 to goodwill account 7,200. Now the balance of B's capital account would be transferred to B's loan account. So the amount B's balance in lying in B's capital account is 30,000. That is his capital in the beginning, and then the credit due to profit and loss adjustment account is 2,400. Then by goodwill he gets 7,200. So total is 39,600. So that is transferred to B's loan account. Next, the surplus in A's account is paid to him. The A's account in credit side is 40,000 is the balance brought forward. 3,200 he gets on account of the profit and loss adjustment account, and to the his account debit would be goodwill 3,900 for each share, and 35,000 the balance is to keep on his account to make his share to equivalent to his share 5/8. So the entry would be 4,300, A's capital account 4,300 to bank account 4,300, the amount paid to A. The next is the deficit due, that is brought by C to keep his capital account to his share, that is 3/8 share, that is required. For that he is required to keep a balance of 21,000. So the entry would be C's account. In C's account credit is 20,000. C's account is required to keep a balance of 21,000, and goodwill account debit 3,300. So the debit balance 24,300. From it the balance should be reduced. 20,000 is capital account, and 1,600 is the credit to him for the profit and loss account. So the balance of 2,700 deficit would be brought by him. So the entry would be bank account 2,700 to C's capital account 2,700. So we see the partner's capital account. All the entries has been explained. So in the credit side, A, B, C, A's balance brought forward from their previous balance sheet is 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000. The profit and loss, the appreciation, net amount appreciation, profit and loss is credited to their account 3,200, 2,400 and 1,600, and goodwill, B's share of goodwill is 7,200. So the total is 43,200, 39,600 and 24,300 in the credit side in the account of A, B, C respectively. To the debit side, the goodwill is 3,900 to A and C is 3,300. To bank account to A, the amount withdrawn 4,300 by A and 35,000 is balance, and 21,000 is the C's balance, and B's loan account is transferred to 39,600 the net balance. So B's account is closed and in A's account the balance is 35,000 and 21,000. That is, they are required to maintain in their capital account. Now cash at bank is 11,000 the opening balance, plus C's capital is 2,700 brought in, and A's capital withdrawn is 4,300. So the balance now is 9,400. We now see the position of the balance sheet of the firm. So in the liabilities, its capital is A 35,000 and B is 25,000. Total 56,000 capital. In their new profit and profit sharing ratio, sundry creditors is now 13,800 and provision for legal charges is 1,540. B's loan account is 39,600. So the total liability side is 1,10,940. In the asset side is land and building 50,000 plus appreciation 20%. So 10,000 appreciation that we get. So building account is 60,000, plant and machinery is 17,000, stock is 16,000 and written off 6% 960, so that is 15,040. Sundry debtors is 10,000 and minus provision for bad debts, that was 200 plus 300 was again made, so 500. So the net balance is 9,500. Cash at bank is 9,400. So the asset side shows 1,10,940. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.